Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect Facebook ads to your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website if you have not already. If WordPress is the platform you're using for WooCommerce, if you're using some different platform, the process is going to be more or less the same, but if you're on WordPress, it's going to look like this. So from here, this home page, we can get started accessing our store. At the left side of the screen, you can set up WooCommerce for your store if you have not already using the plugins section. Once you've finished up with the plugins, we can go to the official WooCommerce website right here at woocommerce.com and then open up the extensions marketplace. From the extensions marketplace, you're going to go and be able to take a look at all the extensions that are given to you that you can use for your store. And one of the first ones you're going to go and be able to see right here is Facebook. If you cannot see it, just go right here into the upper right corner and search the extensions and search for Facebook. And it's going to go ahead and give you all the results right here. From here, you can go ahead and open up the Facebook extension by clicking on it, and after clicking on it, it's going to open up the page from where you can get started adding it to your store. As you can see at the right side of the screen, you have the add to store option. You can also go ahead and add it to your cart to purchase it later, and once you go ahead and purchase it, you can go ahead and install it. After that, you're going to go ahead and be able to integrate it with your plugins right here on WordPress and your WooCommerce store, and just like that, you're going to go ahead and be able to connect WooCommerce to Facebook ads. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.